What's going on, everybody? We are back at it again Wednesday afternoon, July 7th, 3 o'clock. We've had lunch. We are feeling good. AMC is down. Sure. Well, guys, it's just intraday action. It's all right. We are moving forward. How was your lunch break? I want to know right now if anybody is even in here besides Ricardo Ramos. What's going on, Ricardo? How are you doing? Yeah, let us know how you guys are doing out there, if anybody's even in here yet, if the sound is working, if the chat is working. Did you watch the A-Father meltdown video? Citadel got under his skin. He went complete psycho on his ultimate Blue Eyes White Dragon. Dang, dude. Blue Eyes White Dragon. That is some old school Yu-Gi-Oh! Right there. I like it. No, I did not watch it. When did he post it? A dude posts like 5 videos a day. I can't keep up with all of them. Lisa says hi, Clay. Matt Perry is still in the house. I love it. JCT, what up? It's all fine. It is all fine and dandy, man. I know all you guys out there are doing okay. We're staying in the channel that we posted a little bit earlier, bouncing off the bottom end of it. And, yeah, guys, it is fine. Listen to Matt. That's a lot of green little candles. Although it's not that many. That's about a $1 per share right there. That's not bad. It's not bad. Ready for that 10,000 pop. Ooh, me too, JCT. Me too. Breakdown. Crap, I meant to be on Matt's live stream. Breakdown Bandit. No, you didn't. You meant to be on mine. Come on. JK. I know you were joking with me. You see how hair long is enough. You see the hair is long enough for a perm. Well, Matt, I don't know the requirements for a perm because I've never had one, but it does look like that it would be long enough for a perm. Yes. What's going on? What's going on, Legio? How are you? Ape-Father. Dave, everybody's saying that. When did he do it? I got to see. Well, I can't watch it now. If I watch it now, I'll probably get a copyright or something since I'm streaming and I can't watch other people's stuff. I mean, I guess there are rules, like if you do it in a fair way, if you're reviewing it or something, but I don't want to take any chances. We hit 2,500 tomorrow. I'll grow out the sides and back long enough to perm my hair. Brett, if we hit 2,500 tomorrow, me too. Me, Matt, and Brett. And AMC Trapper. Trapper, you got to be in this with us, man. All 4 of us are getting perms if AMC hits 2,500 tomorrow. Anybody else in the chat with us right now? Just left Matt's live stream to be a bro. Jesse Morales, I like it. Thank you very much. But, dude, guys, you know, go back and forth. I'm cool. I don't want to take any view. Listen, Matt could hand over some viewers. We know. We can whip his viewers into shape, and then they can go back and hang out with them again. Like, we don't have a problem with that, right? Come on, guys. Just 10,000 of them, come over here, we'll whip them into shape, and then they can jump back and forth between the two. But it's alright. And I save enough for the perm, and next month it will be even longer. Nice, Matt. I want to see this, man. I got to see Matt get a perm, for real. Hey, Clay, what's up, April? April went crazy the last 2 videos he uploaded. The dude needs help. Goku. That's what everybody's saying. I don't think I can watch it while I'm streaming, but I do need to watch this. I got dreads. Well, AMC Trapper, here's the deal, man. You either got to get a perm with us or we got to get dreads with you. So take your pick. Take your pick on that one. We're going, Brett's calling the mullet, Perry's calling the perm, and Trapper's calling the dreads. So you guys decide which one, and then we're all going to go with it. Trapper says we go dreads, Brett says we go mullet, and Perry says we go perm. So you guys call it, and I'm in. If we hit 2,500 tomorrow, we're all in. And by all in, I don't mean on AMC. I mean we're all in on the fact that that's the hairstyle we have to go with. Hey, Walmart just called, and they have a razor blades in stock now. Eric, interesting, man. Did they want to sponsor the neck beard or for the faux hawk? You're saying okay for maybe the maybe the faux hawk too. So that would be my contribution. You guys pick right now which one. Stop. Y'all get the Spencer Dreads hat. Well, I could do that. I could get one of those hats from Spencer's. I gotta think if the mall still has a Spencer's. Now, I haven't been in the mall in forever, man. I don't even know if they got a Spencer. It will be a perm mullet. I like it, Brett. We could go perm mullet. We could go dreads, or we could all go faux hawks. Watch the last 20 seconds of the latest video, or which one? Matt Perry just reloaded on some more clove puts. Very nice, Matt Perry. And what puts are you talking about, Jason? Didn't see what Jason said. What's good, ClayBro? Puts printing, brother. Very nice. Sean, thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that. Wouldn't it be way more profitable to buy options calls knowing AMC will squeeze? Sean, Yeah, you could be more profitable buying stock option or stock call options on AMC, but the problem you run into is timing it. And that's a problem a lot of people are running into is the timing of the squeeze. So if you're thinking about buying some long-term call options on AMC, yeah, you might be able to leverage your portfolio in that way by doing call options. However, if you're buying call options that expire on Friday, if you're buying call options that expire on the 9th, then I don't know if that's necessarily the best way to go about it. So, yes, you definitely could be more profitable if you go out there and buy call options to leverage your portfolio, but you run the risk. Also, if everybody went out and bought call options, we would never squeeze because we need people to hold the shares from the hedge funds. We just can't sell the shares back to the hedge funds. So it's not just about buying call options, but you could use that to leverage your portfolio. This is no BS with the price of AMC this is so BS with the price of AMC today makes me so mad. Velocity! I feel like it would make you a little mad, dude. I feel like you're very strongly emotioned either way. So, yes, it could make you mad, but it's all right, dude. It's just intraday price action. If you didn't plan on selling today, it's still all right. Did it decay? Yeah, you got to worry about that, Jason, but I don't know what you're referring to on that one. Possibly talking about the time frame on those options. Are they still going to squeeze my sneeze? Oh, my God. I think it's like I just don't know why I can't sneeze while I'm streaming. Does Ohio have good-looking women? Diffie Dog. I would imagine so, right? Are there any good-looking women from Ohio in here? Why is the Ape Father forcing us to buy AMC? Dave Tran, the AMC Ape Father came to your house and forced you to buy AMC? I don't know. If he did that, be a little weird. Be a little weird. Weary. Leery? I don't know. Just beware of that. Yes, my cousin made so much on call options. I'm jealous. Hello. But he did it when it was getting hyped from 30 to 70. Yeah, that was a very fast run. Here's the deal, though, guys. We could see 30 to 70 again. You know we could. We could see 30 to 70 again. So don't think that it's... And he probably went a little risky on those options, too. He probably bought some shorter-term calls. And, he did take a risk on those, so don't think that he didn't. Jason, I don't even believe you have any AMC puts. I think you're being a shill. Have to hedge your accounts with calls. I don't know if Jason's being a shill or not, but hey, if he's making money, I would rather listen. If he's holding on to shares of AMC and he bought some puts or sold some puts. No, he would have bought some puts. If he bought some puts on AMC, I would rather see him do that than actually sell his shares. So I don't know what Jason's got going on, but if he's playing the up and down movement on AMC with options, I would rather see that than him unloading his shares. My understanding is Shayna is there. That is your understanding, Brett. So I don't know. I don't know if she's in the chat right now or not. Clay, how effective do you think it would be to buy AMC stocks and give the stock some oil tip at the same time? Dude, you always got to oil tip it, man. You always have to oil the tip. Okay, and when you do that with AMC, it's going to be not just very effective, extremely effective. Good-looking women in Texas. Rudy can vouch for that. I like it. The Ape Father. Richard. Yes, Richie is the Ape Father's name. I'm bald, so no perm for me, but I'm holding for my hair transplant. No EE. Very nice, my man. Very nice. The hair transplant will come post-squeeze. Maybe. We're about to go above the volume-weighted average price. Are we? What time frame are you looking at there, Mark? 3,700 shares have to make money somehow. Oh, very good, Jason. Glad you're holding on to those shares, man. And, true. If you got to make money somehow and you're taking advantage of the puts, I really don't have a problem with that. I would rather see you do that than let go of your shares of AMC. But, dude, your shares, do whatever you want with them. Hands down. He held a banana to my head and said, buy AMC. Now, that I might believe, hands down. That I might believe. Whether or not he did it at your house or where, I don't know. Dippy Dog says, here's a question. Does Trades snort 5 lines before he presses record? Diffie, I do not know what his pre-recording rituals are. I highly doubt that he does, but I do not know his pre-recording rituals. Clay, I made a quesadilla for lunch and sent Cookie a picture. Not trying to steal your girl. Wanted you to hear it from me. Brett, thank you. I also made a quesadilla for lunch, but I did not send Cookie a picture. I had, dude, I had some spicy chicken and onions and cheese. What did you have on yours? I need to know. That was dude, mine was really good, though. Mine was really good. Ate it with some ranch and salsa. Clay, do you think there are synthetic shares on the market? I'm asking because a lot of people believe that. I want to believe as well in the event that there is... In the event that there is, when do you think that happened? Eric, yes. I believe that there are constantly synthetic shares on the market. Okay? What? ClayBro? Yeah, but listen, in much lesser quantities than you guys think. So we know that synthetic shares are the result of failed to delivers, right? As soon as you hit that failed to deliver, that creates a synthetic share. So I do believe there are synthetic shares out there, and you can look at the aggregate failed to deliver data and see just how many failed to delivers were outstanding on any given day. So, yes, I do believe there are synthetic shares on the market, but no, I do not believe that there are synthetic shares on the market in like record numbers that's going to drive the share price of AMC. Like, I don't think there's billions of synthetics or even hundreds of millions of synthetics out there, but I do believe that there are synthetics out there. I'm a bot. 8 Father is crazy. I can't do this no more. You are not or even if you are a bot, dude, you could be the ClayBro bot if you want. As long as you're nice to people, you could be the ClayBro bot. 8 Father, Richie! Is that the real 8 Father? I have no idea. Hey, Shrudy, what's going on, Shrudy, my bro? What is going on, Hands Down Clothing Co.? What's the current short interest? The current updated short interest from Ortex, I have no idea because it's just an estimate. The current short interest is 85 million shares outstanding. MTBRS. Yo, Clay, hope you're well today. My broker sent me a notification to vote on share dilution and vote for a director in 2024 meeting. Isn't my broker late with this? MTBR, yeah, your broker's a little late, dude. I don't think you have to worry about voting for share dilution anymore. Rocket says, Lisa, what's going on, Lisa? How are you? And can you show the synthetic share data then? Can you show the... Well, Eric, no, I can't show... So failed to delivers are reported by the SEC on a bi-monthly basis, and they're reported 1 month behind. So you can look at the SEC's actual data, but right now, it being June 7th, you're probably, or July 7th, you're probably only looking, I don't even know if you're going to see the first half of June yet. You're probably going to see the second half of May at this point, and we might have to wait a little bit longer. And dude, all you got to do, if you Google like SEC FTDs or AMC FTDs SEC, something like that, you'll be able to find the website and pull it up. Stephanie, bro, thank you, bro, from Brazil, hashtag AMC. Stephanie, bro, thank you very much for being in here and throwing those pink apes in the chat. I love it. Absolutely. Make sure to tweet that out. Lovely cup. Eligio, thank you very much. Goku, man. Appreciate the fact that you like the mug. Hit that like button. Please do it. Listen to AMC Trapper. You don't want to get on this guy's bad side. Tweet it. Tweet it, Stephanie, bro. Tweet it. I'm honestly tired of this, man. This needs to squeeze. I'm already tired of this, man. Okay, I'm honestly tired of this, man. Gotcha. I thought you were tired of this man right here. I'm like, where's this guy going? Where's this guy going with this? We're going to have to... You're going to have to calm me down in a second here. But I'm honestly tired of this, man. This needs to squeeze already, bro. Like, you don't understand. I just want life. I just want to live life in... Juan, I feel you on that, all right? I feel you. But here's the deal. We're going to take a lesson from Luca in this. Take the plural off there. You want to find yourself a bad mamacita, okay? That's rule number 1 post-squeeze. A lesson from Luca. Just that could be like a daily portion of the live streams. Lesson from Luca. Find yourself a bad mamacita, and it will squeeze, dude. Patience is a virtue, and if you don't have it, you could miss out. If you don't mind me asking, what are you planning to do with your tendies post-squeeze? Honestly, Velocity, I don't have any crazy plans post-squeeze. I will certainly be making sure that I reinvest those so that I make the most money possible and that I continue to grow my portfolio together, right? Did Shayna ever push your car out of the neighbor's driveway? Brett, I have no idea. Did not ask. So I would assume yes, because she didn't call me and say, come push my car. Okay, explain this then. Why is it that people seem to think there is an insane amount of synthetic shares? Where do they pull that info, or is it simply speculation? Eric, one, simply speculation. Two, they kind of get that from the fact that they think that retail investors own 492 million shares of AMC. Also, when they see extremely high volume and they think that nobody is actually selling AMC, they think that that's creating new shares. And so that they make it sound good in where they're getting it from. Evil ClayBro, I like it. I like that one. They make it sound good on where they're getting it from, but it is speculation because, I mean, technically everything is speculation if it's not proven. So, yes, speculation, dude. We still never even hit 75. I know, kill cams. We'll get there. Luca in the house. I love it. Me too, Luca. It was one of the best things I've ever heard in my entire life. Ape Father is no, I don't know. Evil ClayBro. I don't know if he's a scam father. He's a good guy. He's a funny guy. All right. So Luca imitation. Yes, we need to stay on the Luca train there. Oh, Evil ClayBro in the chat. Cookie, what's going on, Cookie? How are you? Rocket Chat 7. Evil ClayBro is Clay that didn't take D.A.R.E seriously. D.A.R.E, guys. I did take D.A.R.E very seriously, and that is why this guy, this evil ClayBro, is the ClayBro that did not take D.A.R.E seriously. Stop. All right, we are rewinding back to 1994 right now. Okay, everybody, pay attention. What do you do if you find a firearm? You stop. Anybody else know this? Anybody else wanting to get into the chat before I say it? You stop. Don't touch. What do? Anybody else take D.A.R.E seriously? Let me know. I'm thinking you guys did not take D.A.R.E seriously. Anybody? No. All right, stop. Don't touch. Leave the area and tell an adult. That is what you do right there. Take D.A.R.E seriously next time. Thesis for university was why D.A.R.E didn't work. Cassie, D.A.R.E did work. Okay? D.A.R.E did work. I was told more strangers would be offering me free drugs. Well, Brett, I would figure, I mean, maybe you don't. I feel like if Dean was here, he could say that yes, D.A.R.E worked for him because they did teach him all the things that would be happening in Vegas. Stop, drop, and roll. No, that's if you're on fire. Take it home and hide it. AMC Trapper, you went to a much different D.A.R.E class than I went to. Oh my gosh. All right, everybody out there, do not listen to AMC Trapper's D.A.R.E rules. Stop, don't touch, take it home and hide it. Absolutely not. He went to the wrong D.A.R.E school. Oh my god. Stop, don't touch, leave the area and tell an adult. I'll pick it up and sell. No, JCT, you will not do that. You stop, and Brett says stop, drop, and roll your options. This is D.A.R.E, the stock market edition. Yes. Lisa says, "What's up, Cookie Brett? Oh man, trade message deleted. Missed it. Didn't see what trade had to say. Sounds like what they did with my wife. Oh my goodness, you guys are just. I'm telling you what, right now, you guys are crazy. I had to pay for my Ricardo. No, Ricardo, stop. Don't touch. It sounds like it. Yes, it sounds like a firearm. Diffie. Wrong one. Ape Father. No, you do not." What's going on? Are we still holding? Ray, yes. I don't know if you're still holding, but I'm still holding, man. Stop, drop, and roll only works if there isn't a viable escape route. Turns out a lot of the time, if there is a fire, you could just leave. Brett, that is true. But if you are on fire, you should stop, drop, and roll. If there's just like a fire on the other side of the room, you should probably leave the room. Like, if the room's on fire, you don't stop, drop, and roll. If you are on fire, you stop, drop, and roll. D.A.R.E was a hedgy scam. Hands down, I think everything was a hedgy scam these days, wasn't it? They've been programming us from the start. If AMC is falling, you stop, don't touch it, leave the area and tell an adult, right? That's what they wanted to instill in us from day one. But it's not happening, guys. It's not happening. Cookie, don't retract your messages, please. Come on now. I found a chainsaw and walked through a mall when I was 8. MTBR, that is dangerous. One of our cops confiscated the drugs and brought them home to his kids. No joke. April, that is very intense. I don't know about that one, but that's crazy. I wouldn't doubt it, but Oh gosh, the D.A.R.E jokes. The D.A.R.E jokes are coming, man. I'm telling you. Why is it down? What are they doing? Oh, Ray, good one. Christian, I don't know if Christian's in here, but Christian wanted it to dip today, so that's why it's down. Christian, if you're here, let me know, man. But yeah, it's Christian's fault that it fell today because he wanted the stock to come down, and it did. Are you on fire, or is fire on you? Cornerstone. Brilliant question. Brilliant question, man. I think that it would depend. I think it would depend on the situation because I'm on fire, man. But if the fire's on you, that's just psst. No Spider-Man mug today. Nope. Cookie, the Spider-Man mug is in the cupboard. I am using the Dragon Ball Z mug today. Thought-provoking, the cornerstone, I know. Isn't it? It makes you think. Are you on fire, or is it fire on you? Bring back the Ape Father to your channel. Ultimate Blue Eyes White Dragon. We should bring him back onto the channel. I want to see the last 20 seconds of that video. Is it the one that he posted 2 hours ago, or are you talking about a different one, you guys? We're losing this battle. Teasy, try. No, we are not losing. Dude, we are not losing the battle. Do you think we are? Why would you think that we are losing the battle when we are still up? We're not hitting new lows now, are we? No. Hold that, period. I don't think girls can do that, bro. Well, I don't know what we're talking about, but I think... Okay, now I see you referencing it hands down up there. I'm like, I have to have missed something, man. Picking up and using money to get more AMC shares. Michael, you guys are crazy, man. No, I'm telling you all right now. D.A.R.E, stop, don't touch, leave the area, and tell an adult. Who's your favorite Dragon Ball Z character? Ooh, good one, man. Good one. I would have gone with Gohan. But then, like, I don't know. As the series went on, after Cell, you can't pick Gohan after Cell. So, I don't know. People that bought above 60 are hurting pretty bad. Oh, are they? We're down like 20%. Are they hurting pretty bad if they're down 20% right now? I don't know. Maybe 25%? I don't know how bad that hurts, but... Are they going to be happy when they're up 2,500%? Don't touch it until a bro alt. Yes. Stop, drop, and roll. Roll. Dick Van Dyke. Do it, guys. Stop, top, and stop. Don't touch, right? Yeah, stop, don't touch until a bro alt. That would be me. Bryson Martin, with those sunglasses, I know you're way too cool to sell this early. Yes, he probably is. Silly ape. We losing the battle. Oh my goodness, we are not losing this battle. Come on now. ClayBro, give us your celebrity dream wife. Diffie, I don't know, man. Any celebrities out there looking for a ClayBro right now? Hands down, laughing at that one. Yes, Cookie, he had a good one there, didn't he? I told the cops for years that the house 2 houses over was in meth lab. Finally, 5 years later, after I had moved away, they caught them and bulldozed it down. It's too contaminated. Well, they certainly didn't want to listen to you, Cassie. I don't know why they wouldn't, but glad they finally found out. I guess 20% is not that bad. Mark, it's not. I mean, it's bad. Like, it's a loss, but it's not terrible. I will put your beer in a sippy cup if you think we are losing. Yes, don't do that. But also, no beer, just lemonade. Who cares if the boat is shaking when we are heading for the treasure? Daniel, I like the way you think. I don't care if it's shaking. I get emotional on red days and have been told it's a bad idea to make emotional trades, so I hold. Good, dude. Good. Brett, I like your thinking on that one, man. When you get a red day, just stop. Don't touch. Leave the area and hold the stock. Simple. D.A.R.E did work out, didn't it? David introducing me, the AMC Cookie, Clay's wifey. I like it. I like it. Also, for those who are pretending to be other content creators in here, need to take a bath in a urinal. See, I told you D.A.R.E came in handy where Dean lives. It definitely came in handy where Dean lives. Everybody needs to chill and relax. They didn't even start to cover it. No worries. Absolutely, guys. Haven't even been covering, so we're not worried at all. Dick Van Dyke, stop, drop, and roll commercials, bro. Remember, hands down, Clothing Co. No, I do not remember those commercials. Honestly, I'm going to be honest with you. I do not remember those commercials. ClayBro, thanks. I have confidence in holding my 800 shares. Mr. Viver, Mr. Viver, good deal. We all need a little confidence to hold these shares, don't we? D.A.R.E, do all recreational edibles. No, that is incorrect. April. Dean coming in hot. Dean is coming in hot, man. Dean comes in hot every day. Dean's just hot. Do a reaction video to the Ape Father went crazy on Ape to the 2 major advantages video. 2 major advantage. Oh, that one right here. I'm going to pull that one up, but I'm not going to play it with volume. So I'm going to turn the volume down. Yeah, I didn't want to get in trouble with him. Did somebody say it was the last 20 seconds of that video because I need to watch it. Rudy, no, unless you're talking about food. 90s was full of contradictory messages. Stranger danger, but Steve Danger is also stranger danger. Watch out for that one. But also, strangers might just hook you up with free... And you got to watch out, Brett. You have to decipher which one is which. D.A.R.Es. D.A.R.Es are really exciting. That is what D.A.R.E stands for. Yes, Cookie. The more D.A.R.Es, the better. I remember that egg in a frying pan drug commercial. I do not remember that one, Cassie. You guys know about way too many commercials. Looks like you watched... Guys, where was the Disney Channel and Nickelodeon? They didn't have these types of commercials on Nickelodeon and Cartoon Network, so... Yeah, I don't know. I had my weekly urinal bath 3 days ago. Yo, all right, good deal. Hands down, Clothing Co. Staying clean. I like it. And, yeah, back to AMC a little bit. We are still trading in this channel right here. Boring afternoon, yes. Down 10% on the day, yes. But we could turn around and we could rally higher into the close here. So, hopefully that's what we get. Break out of the channel to the upside. And half hour out, I don't know if we should be calling our predictions just yet, but we will do it here pretty soon. And then if you guys can remind me, we'll be doing the horse race into the close last minute of the day. Where is the peach? Manuel Martinez, I don't know. This is your brain. Hands down, Clothing Co. Yes, head my way. Okay, there you go. Got it. And this is your brain. This is your brain on drugs. ClayBro Young. This is your brain. This is your brain on drugs. And it was probably a bigger brain. It was not on drugs. Sabo, very interesting. You might want to get that looked at. This is your brain on bro. Yes, this is your brain on bro, guys. And your brain on bro grows. We are also growing our portfolios together, but we are also growing our brains together. So remember that. Whoa, worries, not me. Well, worries. Cookie is not worried, and neither am I. Maybe that's what we're talking about. I know this is primarily AMC GME, but could you put input on Zella chart pattern? Any insight? Thanks. Chillin' Charlie the Ape. Message me on Twitter. I could look at the chart on Twitter if you remind me. I don't want to pull it up right now though. ClayBro, you should get a Juan. Why should I do that? Juan, give me a good reason why I should do that, and maybe we'll look into it. As of right now, I don't know if that's a good idea. My parents made me go to D.A.R.E, but also made me take wine from a stranger every Sunday. Interesting, Brett. Interesting. How did that work out for you? Steve Danger is first. What is going on, Steve Danger? Neg looked like it squeezed. Yeah, Newegg definitely popped up pretty nice over the last couple of days. Day tripping with bro. It happens, hands down, but I'm glad you guys are all here to do it. What's going on with AMC? Mr. Thicky. AMC is trading sideways at the moment, down 10% on the day. Trading sideways. Got you scared? You get a lot of viewers, and people will buy AMC. Is that true? Can we get a couple more people to confirm or deny that? I think I might get a couple violations of YouTube's community guidelines if that were to take place on this channel. But hey man, if people are gonna buy AMC because of it, might need to do it. Does Juan need to go in timeout? I don't know if he does. Yeah, I think Juan's behaving. He's just got some pretty outlandish ideas, I would say. Frankie, thank you for that, but no, I am not. Sounds like my parents, Brett. What did Brett say? Let us not judge a stripper by the bigness of her booty, but by the content of her twerkness. Yes, that is a good idea, Brett. And they're good people. They're good people, right? Steve Danger, an ultimate rebel with that great name. You believe it, man. Steve Danger doesn't... I think Steve Danger doesn't like me. I know he doesn't. Lisa says, nothing worth having is ever easy. AMC is on sale. Take advantage of it. Enjoy the ride. Enjoy the fight. Fighting is fun. Lisa, inspirational. Yes, Shrudy. I would agree with you on that one. That was an inspiring quote. I'll take that. ClayBro is 10 times better than trade traits. I don't know. You might make a little bit... I don't know if anybody in here would get upset with that because you guys are hanging out with me. So, good deal. What's up, Clay? Stopping by to show my support. Trey's Subway Crumbs. Thank you very much for stopping by to show the support. I appreciate it. Click the like button, too. I like to mix it up down here with the common folk. Oh, man. Yes, all the gray names, right? Kezi, okay, good. The wine thing, Brett, yes, the wine thing was pretty good there. Cassie liked it. Brett liked it. Oh, man, my water bottle. I'm getting thirsty. My water bottle's all the way over there. I should probably go get that. Frankie's got them diamond hands. Oh, yes. Now, guys, for real, I know we're big screen right now. The chipmunk is not coming into the house. It was raining a little bit earlier, and AMC is trading sideways. Hopefully, it does something a little bit more interesting that stays in this tight little, I don't know, what is this? 70-cent channel the rest of the day, 80-cent channel the rest of the day. Did you watch the latest A-Father video? Chase Bank, I did not. I might, you know what? Let me watch the end of it, because I feel like you guys said to watch the end of it. I'm going to turn it on mute for a second so I don't get any violations, and I'm going to watch this real quick. Give me 2 seconds. I just want to watch this. I want to watch the end. Yeah, I knew the sound was off. I was watching the A-Father video, and I didn't want to hit any copyright violations or anything for playing somebody else's video. But yes, he was very enthusiastic about buying the dip and making sure that you guys know. No. I knew there was no sound. I just didn't want to. I don't want to play A-Father's video with a bunch of sound and get any violations or anything like that. But yeah, A-Father is very. He's very committed to making sure that you guys buy the dip, and there's nothing wrong with being passionate. I didn't see anything wrong with that. I saw passion coming on through. So yes, the A-Father wants you guys to buy the dip. Make sure you guys buy the dip. When we were kids, I rolled a rolling gate over my brother's hand. Oh my gosh. And he was trying to climb it, saying, hey, it's unlocked. I walked the other bikes home and got in trouble for riding with a stranger. Oh, it'll happen, Brett. It'll happen, man. But don't roll anything over your brother's hand, man. That would hurt like crazy. I planted 20 sunflower seeds, and my chipmunks ate them all before they grew. Cassie, you got good chipmunks in your yard. I like it. Start the seeds in the house, and then go plant them. Where can I watch this video? April of the A-Father. 2 major advantages of the hedge funds. Or just 2 hours ago from the A-Father, whichever one you want to go. A-Father won't violate you. Well, I don't know, dude. He probably wouldn't, hands down, but I don't want to take any chances. Hello, everyone. I'm a bit late, but I'm here. DD214, like button hit. Thank you very much for being in here, DD214. What do you think will happen if we break the support of $42? Do you think AMC will sell off? Would it go to the 20s? 30s first, Eddie. 30s first. 30 is a level of support if we break 40. So keep that in mind. I was trying to make them strong and callous so he wouldn't grow up with paper callous so he wouldn't grow up with paper hands. Brett, you were doing work, man, before it even started. So I commend that. I want whoever is spreading FUD to come to Vegas, line up, and I can give him a swift kick in the sunflower seeds. Very good idea, Dean. I like it. Violation of the A-Father. A violation from what? The A-Father? Well, I don't know. I just didn't want to play another person's video on my thing. From a sunflower seed who knew a chipmunk would grow. Drake, I think. Steve Danger, it might be. That, I do not know. Clay, I made it. Squishy Steve is here. Thank you very much, Squishy Steve. Clay, is the paper hands or market makers, is this paper hands or market makers manipulation? Consolo, I don't think this is manipulation, man. I think this is people just selling off when we lose a little bit of steam on the stock. Buy the dip and get ready to rip. Yes, we are doing that. Did you say we're hitting the 30s? No, I did not say that we are hitting the 30s, John G. Somebody asked me if I think that we can go to the 20s if we break through 40, and I said that we would have to see the resist or the support broken at 30 before we would go to the 20s. Steve Strong, Squishy Steve, yes, the Steves are strong in this live stream. Consolo, I think some paper hands, but they also shorted a ton today. Well, we will see, and I don't know. I know that the borrowed shares were much higher than the outstanding shares. All right, 5% increase today in the short interest or borrow rate, because I did see that borrows drastically outweighed the return shares. So did Matt Kors know who his ClayBro is yet? Chase Bank, probably not. But I was in Matt Kors' live stream. I tried to send like 10 messages, but he never read. And the chat was going very slow. Like, I could have easily kept up with the chat. And he didn't even read one of the chats this morning that I sent over. And I was like, Matt, you're the man. Come on, Matt. Good morning, Matt. How are you doing, Matt? And he just wasn't having it. ClayBro is getting robbed. No, I just heard went from 50,000 profit to 35. Oh, it's just hard. Went from 50,000 profit to 35. John G, you're all good, dude. You're all good. $35,000 profit still. And the squeeze hasn't even squozed. So think about that. Close at 90 today. Let's do it. And that's being very conservative from Velocity. Trust me. That is being very conservative. I would expect him to say 90,000 today. I think we all need to get right now as a group of ultra-rich celebrities singing Imagine to make us feel better about the situation. Rocket, I'm on it, dude. I will get those celebrities. I know Ape Father's looking to get Snoop Dogg. We can get like Beyonce and Britney Spears and Selena Gomez and Jay-Z and Snoop Dogg as well if he's into it. And anybody else that wants to sing can sing with us. Can I see your house, Juan? No, because I feel like you're going to rob me. We're still green, and we're still holding with you. Good, Rudy. Because I am also holding with John. Inflow still higher than outflow. Jamal, always good to see that. Robbed or what? Based on what I've seen, he owns 2 chairs, a bro sign, and an egg cooking pan. Yes, Brett, that is actually all I don't even own because I'm a computer simulator. Not even, now I'm lagging. I'm not even... Okay. Looks fine. Interesting. Was I lagging there? Alright, anyway. That is all I actually don't own because I'm a computer simulation. I'm not even a real person. So, yeah. Hi, ClayBro. You went for a nap? Aria. No, I did not take a nap today. Did you? Time to buy more. John Blair, yes. Last week, I was asking to join the chat. DE214, I don't know why I'm lagging, guys. If the video looks a little glitchy, I don't know why that is. But, yeah, I mean, technically he streamed me while he was streaming. So, did I join his live chat? Possibly. Lag switch, really weird. Ape Father's a little intense. Ape Father is intense, April, but he's a very passionate man. Lisa is retracting messages, and I don't know why. DD214. Mass investor. He followed me on Twitter now, so I'm pretty sure we're friends. Like, that makes it official. When you guys follow each other on Twitter, does that make you friends? Pretty sure it does. Arya says, yes, I did. Good, Arya. Rested up, ready to go for the afternoon session. Max Bro Doom. Droom. Bro Droom. Is that like a bedroom? Bro Droom. It's not the stream. It's the simulation has a bug. Simulation does you guys thought it was the stream, but it's actually not. It's the I've got a bug. Are we going to recover tomorrow? Jack. Oh, Jack. I don't know if we're going to recover tomorrow, man. I really don't. I don't know if it's going to go back up tomorrow. Nobody knows. Alright, yeah, I'm definitely going to need that water bottle here in a second. I used to buy AMC. I still do, but I used to. Good. Mad Medic. Good, man. You used to buy AMC. You still do, but you used to too. I like it. She said max headroom. Oh. And I was looking at max. You guys all got me confused sometimes. If I miss one chat and you guys go on with it, it's like, no. Just save yourself. Leave me. Leave me behind. Save yourself. And that's the way I feel sometimes with the chat. Used to. Too. Correct. I'm holding for you. Manuel, I am holding for me as well. Thank you for holding for me. What we closing today? Ricardo, good question. Let's find out where we're closing today. This is my prediction. You guys know by now, if I get it right, every single one of you has to tweet out my live stream and tell all of your family and friends to come or share it on Facebook. We're actually going to break this upward channel here, and we are closing, I'm calling it right now, at 46.22. 46.22 is where we close. Anybody else second or third that? 46.22 is what we got. Vertical line right there. 46.22 is what we got on the close. If you guys don't believe me, you're just a bunch of haters. 46.22, upper end of that channel, a little bit to the outside of it. Clay, you don't know Mitch Hedberg. No. He had different thoughts on drugs, unfortunately. No, I do not know who Mitch Hedberg is. And I feel like that's a name that you guys might be running me into on something. And I might be saying something bad, but I don't even know. 69 close. Xavier wants to see it under. Lisa says under. I like that prediction. Me too, Cassie. Anybody else got it? Rudy says close at 69. 46.22 for a multimedia shout-out deal. Exactly. 46.22 is what I'm calling. Are we rich yet? Still holding, not selling 500 shares. Rick Lee, I like it, man. Jack says 51. All right, dude, I'll take 51. I'm going to call Friday's close at 93.28. Claude, incredible. 69 close. Let's see it. James says 46.23. Jerk. Dude, if you and I were on the prices right and you called and you said 46.23, dude, I'd look at you just like this. Jerk. 46.23. 46.22 on the dot. 45.50 on the close. Let's see it. 07 man, 007 man. Current short interest. The BIF, are you talking about on Ortex, or are you talking about the fact that the last reported number was 85 million shares? 57.05. I like it, Ricardo. AMC bought 100 more shares at 45 today. Nice print money. He says, I used to do drugs. I still do, but I used to too. He overdosed on heroin, but it was a genius comedian. See, Mad Medic, I did not know that. I did not know that. That's where your reference came from. Okay, I feel like Brett got that, but I did not get that. Someone take 46.21. No! Don't take it. Don't trap me. Close at 1,000. Let's do it. 44.87. April. All right, a little more conservative, but hey, we're going to see what happens. Buying more, buying more, buying more, buying more. Oh, you know what I actually need? If I want to see this close at 46.22, I need a trend line in here going from right here to the 46.22 mark. Right there. That's what we need. Yep. We'll make it bigger. All right, we're closing at 46.20. Dude, if somebody walks in here right now and they see this chart, they're going to be like, this dude's an idiot. That's probably why half the people leave. Half the people probably come in here and they're like, what does this dude have going on with this stupid chart right now? Look at this. But they don't know. They don't know what's going on. They don't know the fact that that trend line that I just drew is going to guarantee that the price closes at 46.22 with that white crosshair that I made on the chart. Like, get a life, guys. That's technical analysis, right? This just in. People who watch prices right, Clay and my 79-year-old grandmother. Yes. And you know what, Rocket? Your 79-year-old grandmother would do me dirty. She would also say 46.23 if I said 46.22. Come on, Grandma. What are you doing? Rocket and me home. Yes, and me homesick from school. All right, for everybody who stuck with me, thank you. I have no idea what's going on. I do need to ask one question though. I'm back, and I have no idea why that camera cut out, but it did. So, well, two things. One, the camera may not last until 5 o'clock. If it doesn't last until 5 o'clock, I'm probably just going to either do Weeble or cut the stream a little early. I got 20% battery, and I don't think... I didn't look, but I don't think it's going to charge. Has anybody ever had the problem before where it says you've got moisture in your charging port, but you literally do not have any moisture in there? Like, I woke up yesterday, and it said I had moisture in the charging port, and it didn't. I had to use my wireless charger all day yesterday, and I had to use it all day today. And I know for a fact there's no moisture in there. Has anybody ever had that problem and resolved it? Somebody paid him to go private. James, no. Nobody paid me to go private. Everyone that can send a super chat to ClayBro. Manuel, maybe. So got me. No, they did not. But, has anybody ever had that problem? Must have an iPhone. No, got a Samsung. Sounds like a Samsung. It is a Samsung, man. But I'm telling you, it's never... Usually, if I do have moisture in it, like if it got wet, it's fine. It dries up, but it hasn't dried up all day. Dude, I really like Brett. I really like Brett. Man. Brett's a good guy. Moisture in my charging port is how simulations like Clay flirt. Yes. Yeah, I bought a new phone. Jack, I have not bought a new phone. Clean the port with alcohol and dry it out. Eric, it might be a good idea, man, but it's just really weird. Clay, you own a Samsung? Yes, Cookie, I own a Samsung. You no longer like me since I own a Samsung? But it's just really weird that it's been like that. And it's at 21% right now. So I don't know if it's going to last this whole time or not. I could... You give me 1 second. I want to see if it still says that. I just want to see if it still says that up here. Yeah, so it still says it's got moisture in the charging port. And I don't know why. Because there's no moisture. Claude! Thank you for the super chat, Claude. Let's see what Claude's got to say, guys. I went to 8 Father's GoFundMe page and asked for $5. He said, why? I said, because I want to send $5 to ClayBro. He said, okay. Love you, 8 Father. Love you, man. Thank you. Claude, thank you for the $5 super chat. I appreciate it. Maybe 8 Father, thank you for the $5 super chat. I appreciate it. And keep doing you, man. Abe Father, keep doing you. Claude, you continue to do you as well. You can use your hair dryer. Okay, Gwendolyn. But the thing is, like, I don't think there's actually moisture in there because... Turn the plug over? Well, I did turn the charging thing over, but it's just the USB-C port, and it doesn't matter what side it's on. But I swear there's no moisture in there because, like, it just woke up like that. Use a vacuum on the port. Had it happen to me too. But did it last more than a day? Put it in rice. I had it in rice for like 20 minutes before I was doing this. I needed to charge it though. Like, it's just been sitting on the wireless charger. I'm grabbing my wallet. Manuel, grab your wallet, man. Rumor has it you put it in a bag of rice overnight, and Dean, it will fix it while you sleep. And Dean and I will fix it while you sleep. Good, dude. I'm going to put it in a bag of rice tonight, and then hopefully it works, because that's the thing. There's no moisture. My phone does it a lot. Oh, really? Sean. And you just turn the charging... You turn the charging port over? Like, you turn the plug over in it? Turn it off and leave it off. Eddie, I can't turn my phone off and leave it off, man. Come on now. Chipro needs to stay away from the port. Chipro does need to stay away from the port. Guys, the door is open. It's not raining right now. The door is open, and the seeds are there, and I've not seen them coming in. So, put it in ice. Excellent idea, Nufo. I might end up with the same exact problem. Clay, sent. Now that is a phone. Hashtag iPhone. S20 is a phone. iPhone is just nonsense. Rice hack really works. I should do it because but I really don't know if it's moisture, which is the part that I find a little strange. The fact that it would be moisture. Really, it is what you do. Now I don't even know what's going on. It is what I do. Okay, I will put it. Rocket is going to come fix it if I put it in rice. No, okay, no, the rice is what I do, but, like, will you come fix it, Rocket, if I put it in a bag of rice? When he's moisturizing this thing. No, guys, nobody moisturized my port, okay? I promise you, nobody moisturized my port, which is why I'm confused as to why it says that. But seriously, though, take it. I will. We'll actually blow on it. Nufo. No, you're not going to watch me blow on the charging port of the phone. After the squeeze, your secretary will handle the phone. But I need it to be fixed before the squeeze happens. Because I get 20% battery right now, and without the phone, you guys can't see me. It could be dirt. Eric, it could be dirt. Is that why you recommended, like, alcohol? Maybe? Because you sit at a company phone. I could, but they are very stingy with their phones, D214, and they will not allow it. Walk over to the trash can, throw it away, go to apple.com and order an iPhone. RIP! Rocket had a rip! I like it, Rocket, but it's not going to happen. I could never use an iPhone, dude. I could never do it. It just would not happen for me. Who clicked the thumbs down? How can you not like ClayBro? Rick Lee, good question. And the funny thing is about that, they genuinely do not like me. It's not my content. It's not the videos or the live streams. I believe that they genuinely just do not like me. So that makes it that much more of a dislike. ClayBro, what if it goes to 100,000 and you don't sell it, all goes all the way back down to normal cost? What would that mean? Explain to me. Juan, that would be terrible, dude. If it goes to 100,000 and you ride it all the way back down to $10 a share, that would be bad news for you, dude. Don't do that. Clay's office. I'm sorry, he's playing with his chipmunk right now, and it happens. No, stay with Samsung. Much better Apple. Ugh, I know, Sean. I'm telling you. Stepped in too late. Does Clay's phone? No, it's just got a little moisture in the port there. Trash can pops that phone right back at you. Trash can pops. Oh, the trash can pops the phone right back at me. Yes, that is what the trash can would do. Why? Because the trash can knows that I need the Samsung. Try disabling fast charge. Ryan, it might be a decent idea, but I don't know if that's why it says that it's got moisture in the port. Traded for a flip phone. Caesar, will they even activate a flip phone anymore? I don't even know. Apple FUD. Are you at Citadel? Yes, Zach, I'm at Citadel right now. Clay's phone. You can't read all these comments, guys. I can't read all these comments. What are your thoughts about tomorrow? Is it Giannis or is it Janice? I was thinking about that earlier. And is it Giannis? Am I saying your name? Was I saying your name incorrect earlier? And you pronounce your name Giannis, or is it Janice? That I do not know. But what are my thoughts about tomorrow? Man, I hope we bounce up tomorrow, but we could retest support at $40 again as well. Use a cup and strings phone. It actually is designed to handle moisture. Yes, Brett, but I need to get all of you guys a cup and string as well. Dipped. Much love. Good. Don't be startled if a baby chip comes out of the port. Do not be startled, guys. If a baby chip comes out of the port, please. Manuel Martinez, thank you for the super chat. Oh my goodness, ClayBro, we support you. We are for you, and we are holding for you. Much love, AMC to Pluto. Manuel Martinez, thank you very much for the super chat. I appreciate that. Thank you for the support. Thank you for the love. And thank you. AMC will go to Pluto. Sing it with me now. Woo! AMC to Pluto. Yes, Manuel. Thank you. JG Lee also with a super chat. Oh, yes, JG Lee. Missed the AM dip. Got 5 at 44.50. LOL, buy more tomorrow. I like it, JG Lee. Absolutely, guys. It is on sale right now. Yes, it could continue to dip, but you guys might be gaining one last buy opportunity before it rips. Janice is Janice, not Janice. See, I don't even know anymore. I don't even know what's going on, how to say the name. What are your thoughts about tomorrow? Giannis, Janice, Giannis, Giannis, Yanni. I don't know how to say the name, man. It could be foreign. Yanni. Could be Yanni. The S could be silent. Like, all I do is plug the phone in one way and then the other. It may take a couple of times. It usually does that when I let the phone get down to less than 5%. All right, Sean, I'm going to have to try it, but I don't want the phone to die during the live stream. ClayBro, Keenan, Ric Flair. Collaboration, Apex. I don't know if I've never talked to Keenan. Like I've never left any comments on his videos or anything like that. So hey man, if you wanted to do something, I'll do something with him. My Kindle wouldn't charge. Found holding off button for down for 20 seconds and it worked. Susan, did it say there was moisture in it though? Even if some people don't like you, we do. My mom used to tell me growing up that Clay is the handsomest boy in school. I like your mom, Brett. I like you and I like your mom. Very good. Nice candle. We do have a nice candle for me, but we got 5 minutes left in the day, and we really need to see this thing pop if we're going to watch my prediction come true here. So, we need a... What are we at? 45.15? Oh my gosh, we need a $1 candle in the next 4 minutes. Oh, man. ClayBro, iPhone, Samsung, flip phone, beeper, red solo cup, and string cup. You're my numero uno. I love it, guys. I love it. You take a play out of Cookie's playbook there. Take a page out of Cookie's playbook, and I like it. Why would you say we dropped so much today? J6s, because people were selling. That's why I would say we dropped so much. We had a lot of sellers come in. I don't know how to spell it right for you to pronounce it. Does it make a Y sound? Like, does it make a Y sound at the beginning, or is it a J? Because I definitely know that I'm going to be pronouncing it wrong. But I feel like it would be a Y. Y. It could be Yannis. Yannis Gotavis. Ooh. Chipro's in here. And it's Chipro, it's not Little Tail. Oh yeah, Chipro, I see you. Come on, come here. Guys, if he comes over here, we're going to have some fun. Not the J sound. Yes. Yeah. I feel like it's Yannis Gotavis. Gotavis. You got to make sure he doesn't go anywhere that he shouldn't. All right, cool. He's out. Paper hands. Why? Because they're weak, Rick. They just want to sell. They get scared. I noticed a lot of the squeeze charts, a period of consolidation or a sharp dip right before taking off. ND. A lot of people have noticed that, yes. Did you make a Little Tail a home yet? No, Miguel. I think he's happy in the downspout. I did go feed him today, though. He was over by the downspout, and I did feed him. Need a strong 3-minute candle like us, guys. Yeah, guys, we need some really strong 3-minute candles here, especially if I'm going to be right. Is S silent? I'm dying here, dude. Yanni, don't die, man. We have no idea how to say your name. But don't die. We will get it. Somebody phonetically spell Yanni's name for me. Okay? Matt Perry, we were not talking about you. We were talking about Yanni. Somebody phonetically spell Yanni's name that knows how to say it. We need a race closing track voice in 2 minutes, Clay. Lisa! I feel like it's going to be a slow end of the day, but we will get it. Oh, man, maybe I can sneeze. I feel it. Eric. Is this a wash? Do they have to cover by December 31st? Eric, they do not have to cover by December 31st, and I don't think it's a wash, man. We're still up, so I don't think. But, Eric, thank you very much for the super chat, Eric. I appreciate that. And also, I don't think it's a wash, and they do not have to cover by December 31st. They can hold this as long as they want. Yanni. Is it Yanni? Is it Yanni, man? Let me know if it's Yanni. No, refused to charge, but bought more expensive charger. Didn't work, but did that. Didn't work, but that did. Susan, I didn't see what you said before, Susan. You gotta pronounce it faster because it's more Yanni. I gotta say Yanni. Yanni? Is it Yanni? Yanni. Maybe it's Yanni. Ooh! Last minute of the day. All right, guys, Weeble, come on. We got the last minute of the day right here, and it's looking like a very tight candle. Coming out of the gate, the last 2 minutes were very small candles there, and we might see another doji, but we got a little bit of red right now. 45.07, 45.06, 45.07, 45.09 right now. We might be breaking out to the upside. We got a green candle. We got a red candle. 45.06 right now. It doesn't look like it's going anywhere. We got the open at 47.69 of the day, 42.80 for the low, 48.92 high, but we are still at 45.07 right now. 45.08, 45.06, 45.07. We're in a nice tight 3-cent range right now, but can we close higher? Are we going to get that $1 close to the candle to the upside? I do not think that we will, and unfortunately, 45.06 was the end there. We had a very, very weak end of the day, but it is all right, guys. It happens. 45.07, I'm showing 45.06. And it'll probably settle somewhere right around there because it was a very, very calm and last minute of the day. Dean is going to be eating a very large bowl of Captain Crunch in the bathtub. Good deal, Dean. I like it. I do not have any Captain Crunch in the house, otherwise I would join you. Someday, we are going to look back and say, remember when we dropped to 45 Mad Medic? Yes, we will. And people are going to say, oh my goodness, I sold when we dropped to 45. They will. Don't think that they won't. Lucas says 45.06. Yeah, that's what I'm showing. I'm happy it closed over 45. Good enough for me. Applause for the day. We made it, guys. We made it. If you didn't sell your shares of AMC, you made it. ClayBro, what is going on? Jim Gould, how are you doing? Dang, I didn't know we were at the horse races. Absolutely, Miguel. That was fun. Yes, that was fun, hands down. It was very short-lived, the last minute of the day, but it's all right. I heard milk is good for the skin. I'm down. Let's do it, Dean. Dang, my something smells today after this terrible day. Juan, it is all right. Tomorrow will be a better one. Again, sabe que estoy diciendo aquí? No, nobody knows, Cookie. Nobody knows. Cocoa Puffs. Everyone, make sure you hold even if we drop. Manuel, that is the plan. That is what I'm doing. Over 45 is doing great. We are still doing good, guys. I'm going to hire Kenny as my butler because he'll need a job after we mother of all short squeeze. He will, Cornerstone. Very nice of you to take one for the team and hire him. Hands down. That's what I didn't see what hands down said, but good. I need to learn Spanish. AMC Trapper, me too. I don't even know Spanish, guys. But I need to learn Spanish for sure. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. No, I don't have any of that here. Lots of paper hands. Pooping their pants today. I know, dog guy. Crazy, isn't it? What to do, ClayBro? Still holding me too, Big Easy. Glad you're still holding that stock. The bro races rule. Hands down. They do get pretty intense, don't they? It's a lot nicer when there's actually some movement going on in the candle, but today was a pretty boring one. No cubic zirconia hands, only diamond bros. I like it, Apex. That's what we got in here right now. Does anyone know what I am saying? Manuel. Nope, nobody. Okay, no one. Okay, ClayBro. Perfecto. Yes. Cookie. Nobody knows. How would they know? Nobody's gonna know. How would they know? I hit the sell button and canceled right away. I think I sold 0.000001 shares of AMC. It's alright, Caesar. It's alright. Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Ah, gotcha. Dean. See? You were messing with me with these acronyms there. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, not Captain Crunch. Interesting. Either way, I don't have either one of those. You learn Spanish and go to South America, you will pull lots of mamacitas. Alright, I know what we are transitioning to after the squeeze. It will be Spanish class, and we will be learning Spanish post-squeeze so that we can pull. But Luca, we don't want a lot of mamacitas. We want one bad mamacita. The baddest of them all, right? You think it's going to squeeze around 40 to 50 or drop to like 20 to 30 and then squeeze? It's still a squeeze. Yeah. Yanni. Yana. This is how I'm going to say your name. Yanni. That's how I have to say your name in case you think that I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's just Yanni. No, dude, I really don't know if we're going to drop that much before the squeeze or not. We could drop back down to 20 if we fall through 30. So I'll just be honest with all you guys. Eddie, thank you for the super chat. Inflow is more than outflow. Why are we red? Good question, man. Here's the deal. This is how I like to answer that question. Inflow doesn't necessarily mean buying at the market price. It doesn't necessarily mean slapping that ass, and it doesn't necessarily mean that we're willing to offer higher prices. You could have inflow coming in, but people are putting in buy orders well below the price. They're putting limit orders in. Say they put in a limit order right now at 45 flat. That's going to bring the price down to 45. If they put the price down to 44.50, we're going to watch the price drop down. If that's where the next buy order is coming in at, that's what we're going to see. So, no. No, dude. You can't do that because, all right, I got to go get this guy some more seats. He thinks he lives here. Yeah, it's alright, man. I'll get you some more seats. I thought you knew. Where it was. Alright. Now we're back. That was interesting. Let him in. I'm telling you. Well, I don't want him going in the kitchen. Still hold 175 shares. Very nice, Joey. Cookie, we have no Mexicans in the chat except us. LOL Clay loves Mexicans / Cookie. I love everybody. Come on, Manuel. Chipro was breaking in. Yeah, Chipro was breaking in, guys. He really was. Clay, did you say you wanted to slap the... Cookie, you may have heard that correct. I don't know. Are you ever going to do TMI stream? Yes, ND. I will be on TMI stream. I don't know when, but I will definitely hang out with that guy sometime. I like him. But one last share at the end and 403 shares. Whoop, whoop, psycho. Very nice. Go ahead and say it with me. Somebody say it with me. I don't know who was saying what up there, but there the shows in the chat. What is your Twitter? Yeah, there must be a lot of shows in the chat. I don't know. Where are you from? Ohio, Rick. Where are you from? What's going to happen? I don't know. Oh, you know what we could do? If I lose the camera before 5 o'clock, we might just set up Chip Rose cam. Thought cargo shorts were outlawed. DD214, never, man. They're the only shorts you're allowed to wear. Mexican cookies are called polvorones. Polvorones. I don't know if that's true or not, Brett. You might be setting me up for something, but all right. If AMC goes below 40, I'm going to get nervous. Trey Rob, don't be nervous, man. It'll be all right. WTF is Twitter. Exactly, Mad Medic. You got to get it. Me encanta las mamcitas con gran... Luca, you already know what it is, my friend. Can't skip on functionality. No, you can't, Rudy. What's your Twitter handle? Matt Perry. Hashtag what's your Twitter handle? The AMC Vigilante. Mad Medic, it's a driving range. Could be. How many shares are out there? 501,780,240. Philip. I believe Galactic Finance page because they were all going to Marin. Are they really ETGC Gymnastics? Why would they do that? If they are, I'm naked shorting. Good. I might have missed it, though. We are always having fun in ClayBro's chat, especially with Famous Cookie in here. I'm telling you guys what. I think that I would say 98% of the people in this chat only hang out with me because Cookie's here. Cookie never leave me. Instagram is drug delivery service, right? I think it might be Brett, but I'm not exactly sure. I got your Instagram. Good deal, Matthew. How many shares do you hold? Yanni, enough. Enough shares. It's good enough. No, I don't want to discuss the amount of shares I have because I don't want you guys to buy more, buy less, or anything like that. If you got 1 share of AMC, you're in the right place. You get 0 shares of AMC, but you're thinking about getting one, you're in the right place. Riding this thing back down to $8. Let's go. $8, guys. Price keeps dropping. I keep shopping. R.B. Ramsey. Very good. Bought an extra 19 shares at $43.95 this morning. AMC strong. Very nice, John. A lot were, but said they were going to buy AMC after the Martin Squeeze. What the FUD was strong. ETCT Gymnastics. I don't know why. There was a lot of FUD going on. There was I feel like a lot of bots in the chats today. Clay, I told you about Newegg yesterday. Frankie, I know you did. You should have told me about it last week, man. Bro, what illegal moves are hedge funds using this time to push AMC down below 45? Vic, maybe none. Maybe no illegal moves. Maybe it's a bunch of people in here that are afraid of AMC that sell the stock. Did you take my Newegg advice? I'm selling my 15,000 profits and buying more AMC. Frankie, I did not get into Newegg, but I probably should have, man. I was looking at it this morning, and it was still ripping. Hodl AMC. Guys, the next time you think about AMC, just think. Clay and Cookies sitting in a tree. HOLD AMC. Counselor Murray. Thank you for the super chat, Counselor Murray. The longer they fight, the more I buy. 515 shares and counting. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Burning that rocket to the moon. I don't know if you're going to burn a rocket to the moon, but we're going to start that fire and take the rocket to the moon. I'm with you, Counselor. I'm with you, man. I like it. Please hit the like button, ducks. Yes, please hit the like button, ducks. New egg, new ape. Yes, a new egg always results in a new ape. Yes, Yanni, I have a lot more than you. I don't know if because you don't think I'm currently holding 1162 shares. I don't know. I really don't know anybody's position size, guys. In whether or not mine's bigger than yours doesn't matter. Okay, it's just as long as you guys have shares of AMC. Matt Kors looked distraught today. Trey Rob, I saw him this morning, and He probably knew it was going to be a tough day this morning. His drop is what I was worried about yesterday, but I'm still hopeful and holding strong. Najee, good. You made it through. If you made it through today's drop, you're doing good. Me too, Curry. Oh my gosh, Matthew, you guys are crazy, man. Dip before the rip. I'll take that instant gram. Okay, hold and never sell at some point. Sell at some point, but just know. 2 more hours of work, and then I'll catch up. You guys are all crazy, man. I'll tell you right now, you guys are all crazy. I don't know how you do it. Oh, man. Salute, brother. Hitting Rocket up. I don't even see where Rocket was in the chat, but yes, Mr. Colt, we need more cowbell. Just saying. We need more cowbell, guys. Just saying. Good. Feels like everybody's going to be joining Matthew Curry here pretty soon. I don't know. The stream is way more positive. Galactic Finance still holding AMC, but talked about MRN most of the day, and some people panicked and started switching. Look, guys, I'm not gonna be rude and say make sure that people who watch the other. I know that these guys they watch. I'm like the least viewed channel, unless you're brand new and you're just starting out. I've been here for a very long time, and if you want to have fun, if these people are out there having a bad day, just swing by, man, and grab a little excitement. Clay unwinds with a cool glass of lemonade at night. Brett, it's true. And I'm going to tell you guys something else right now. If you guys want a good drink, I don't know if you guys can hear the lawnmower out there, but I might shut the door if you can actually hear that lawnmower. I'm telling you guys, Bragg's Vinegar, okay? And local. Go local on your honey, but Bragg's Vinegar and honey, dude, if you add that to a little bit of lemonade, you get a nice little kick to it, and it's a good detox. So please, I don't know what I'm detoxing, but please look into that. Bragg's Vinegar and honey. Man, you mix that stuff up, you're going to be doing good. I need help. I got AMC problem. Every time I dip into my account and buy more. I use the mortgage money, so I called my mortgage company and told them I'll pay them upon the squeeze. Claude, they'll probably accept that. Just say that, you're not going to pay your mortgage right now. You'll pay it later. They should accept that. But you're the most consistent. Najee King, thank you very much. I try to be consistent. I really do. ClayBro, Mustang. Juan, I can't read that, dude. I don't read Spanish. I'm with you, Curry, at 5 when I get off. Everybody's going to be joining Curry when they get off work here. I like it, guys. This is why we are a community. I don't condone the activity that you are probably partaking in, but this is why we are all friends. I definitely will next time, and let the other apes know that are not having to do the same. I don't think he realized what his words were doing to the paper hands. Oh yeah, ETCG gymnastics. I would paper hands, man. You gotta coddle them, but we're not paper hands here. So if I say something that offends you, you might be paper hand. I don't know. I'll take Clay's advice on a lot of things, but not adding vinegar to lemonade. Just a little bit, Brett. Just a little bit, and not every time. Come on now. I want a really good drink. Take a light beer and fill a mug a little more than halfway, and put some amaretto in it. It tastes just like Dr. Pepper. You're welcome. Or you could take some lemonade and put some iced tea in it, and tastes just like an Arnold Palmer. You're welcome. Consistently ambiguous. Brianelli. You like that, don't you? I love it. Me too, Matthew. You're the least viewed, but you're the most chillest, and you are just like Trey Trades, a super awesome man. Manuel, thank you. I appreciate that. I really do. Please tell me. What? Made $4,500 in 2 days. Yanni, very good, man. Very good. I like the way you're doing that there. Clay, does Cookie have a nice wand? I don't know, man. I don't know. Must be last-ditch effort. Show list short attack today. Newegg, YouTube acting weird last couple of days. Coordinated, could be. Who's me? But yeah, it's not fun. Yeah, certainly there is, dude. I have fun every day of my life. I'm broke with 162 shares. Chris, don't be broke, man. Don't be broke. Of course she does. Juan, well, always his answer in there. Jake Sky, thank you very. I want to see right now 230 welcomes. Jake, welcome Skies in the chat right now. Make sure to welcome Jake. thank you very much for getting that green name, for becoming a bro. I absolutely love it. And everybody, stop what you're doing. If you're listening, if you're mowing the lawn, if you're driving home from work, make sure to welcome Jake Sky in the chat right now. Let's make him feel very welcome. Thank you very much for clicking that and getting that green name. Dude, I appreciate it, and I know everybody else in here does as well. These are all for you, man. All of these are from you. Or for you, not from you. I went for my water bottle, but I don't have it. Look at this. James Brown, Jake, Matt Perry, welcome to the Thunderdome. Hashtag sport. Okay. Claude says, Jake, welcome, Jake, Manuel. Welcome, Jake, welcome, Jake, welcome, Jake, welcome, Jake, welcome, Jake, welcome, Jake. GME shareholders need to get on our team, AMC. Tinted, I would agree. Welcome, Jake. If you're driving home from work, huh? Clay, promoting unsafe drive. Dude, if you're at a stoplight, you might be driving home from work. You can do it. Might be Jake from State Farm. Shooty, yeah, all the welcome Jake's still coming in. Did Jake say, oh, there he is. Welcome and thanks. Yes, Jake, you are absolutely welcome, and you're welcome. You're the man, dude. You're the man. I have GameStop and AMC. Rudy, I only have AMC, but I don't have a problem with people holding both. Love you, Clay. You're like a medium of the apes, connecting us, not changing or leading us on. You answer apes and state your opinion, and I feel we can all learn and build from that. Steve Cleveland. That's what I hope everybody does, man. Hope everybody does that. You know, you don't have to listen to me. You don't have to do what I do, and you don't have to think that I'm right, but dude, if you learn something, you're doing good. I subscribed. I like this, dude. Chris, man, that's what I'm talking about. Click that subscribe button. I think that Streamlabs is, locked up or something because it still says Brittany's the last subscriber, but I feel like Chris may have just subscribed. So thank you very much for doing that, Chris. I don't know why your name's not going to go at the top of the screen right here, but it should be right there. It's just not working right now. Chris, that's awesome, bro. Good stuff. Absolutely love you, Clay. Love you too, Mutt Buncher. AMC only. Well, I got them both. Juan subscribed as well. Thank you very much, Manuel. Subscribe. Yes, guys, make sure to click that subscribe button. It's not common of me, so thank you. Steve, thank you, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. 10X. Martin is 10Xing. I'm in GME, but he's real deep. AMC Trapper is real deep in AMC. Clay is an ape from the waist up and a horse from the waist down. Yeehaw! You guys are nuts, man. Gotta make the squeeze happen. Need those AMC profits for physical silver. Keep up the good work, Clay, and all the bros. Nick Nasty. Jack Stacks Silver actually pours silver. So if Jack Stacks, if you're in here, go check out Jack Stacks Silver's videos. I watched him pour some silver the other day. I liked it. Torchlight never paid the dividend. Did I get torched? Possibly, Claude. I have no idea. I was not in Torch. I'm deeper in AMC. I don't know, man. Deeper in AMC than GME, or you deeper than AMC Trapper into AMC? Big Nasty, yes, sir. First, Geiger Square just came in yesterday. Been eyeing him for a while. All right, did not see what we were talking about prior to that. Didn't GameStop dip hard right before the squeeze? Last ditch push from the hedge funds. RMA Studio. I don't know if GameStop necessarily dipped that much before it squeezed. ClayBro, can we secretly develop a baseball sign for when we should all sell? Yes, Rocket. Except I'm very terrible at baseball signs. So make them emojis or you know, I don't know. I'm really bad at baseball signs. But if you guys are looking for a sign on when to sell, then I guess just pay attention to what's going on, because a lot of people might misconstrue something for something else. And if you want to know when to sell, I'm pretty sure it's going to be obvious when you should sell the stock. So keep that in mind there. What's going on with AMC and GME price? I have no option but to hold. Good, Mandy. We dipped a little bit today. It's going to be all right. It stings a little in the snake bite, but what doesn't kill us makes us stronger. Marky, and I am not dead yet. And I know that everybody else in here is alive and well, so we are doing good. Nick just became a hobby a few months ago, not an investment, just like having it, and hope to hand it off to the grandkids one day. That brings me 94. Nice! Brett's got 94 ounces. Brett, you know what you should do? I'm being dead serious with you. Hook up with Jack Stack Silver and make him pour 94 ounces of silver, pure silver pogs, dude. 94 ounces of pure silver pogs. That way, you can have the silver collection. You can help Jack Stacks out. He can make the video, and you guys can do silver pogs. And you can pass the pogs down to the grandkids, and you're going to really have something to give them, man. It's going to be a double whammy. Pogs and silver. I say do it. Oh crap, forgot the tropical storm hitting in a few hours. I hope it doesn't knock power out of my apartment or prevent me from streaming tonight. Dude, you get a tropical storm hitting? Oh my gosh. Yeah, dude, hopefully it's alright, man. I don't know where it's coming from, but hopefully you're alright with that, because tropical storms are nothing to mess with. Feeding the Volkswagen skis. Feeding the Volkswagen squeeze throwbacks. Or feeling the Volkswagen skis. Squeeze, dude. Not Volkswagen skis. That doesn't even make sense. Squeeze. Claude's calling Friday, 93.28. Thanks for letting us buy more. Absolutely. Saif Raymond, I would agree with that. The silver isn't an investment, but the pogs are. Don't want to cross streams. I'm a stream crosser, dude. But, good deal. Silver's for fun. The pogs are an investment. I like it, Brett. Pog or pawn? Pog, all the way. Pog, all the way. Sinister. Pog, pog, pog. No, I said skis. Like, you know, you're going skiing down a mountain or water skiing, and you need the water skis, okay? I picked Cookie up so I can ask yourself one. Yeah, maybe. Hit her up. I don't know. Might have missed it. Good timing. The silver mining deficit is finally acting up with the industry demand. Now there is a lot of new investment demand, too. It should be exciting to see silver squeeze. Dude, you guys are on it, man. You guys are on everything. I love it. That's why we need everybody in here every single day. You guys are on everything. AMC to the moon. Yes, Luca. Luca, I need to know, man. Would you take a bad mama seat to the moon? I want to know. I'm sure I'll be all right, unfortunately. No, you're going to be all right. Perry, you're going to be all right, my man. 93. Oh, yes. Rick Lee wants to see 93. Brett, you should check our Wall Street Silver. It has proved to be a great resource impacting the market and is very funny. Well, check it out, guys. I don't like Reddit, but if you guys do and you want to go check that out, go check it out. Tsunami comes before the storm. Absolutely, Martin. What's $93? Oh, they just want to see 93 by the end of the week, Marky. AMC going to skis to Pluto. It will, new foe. It will, for sure. You heard it first here. You heard it first here, guys. No doubt. No doubt in my mind that AMC is going to do that. I want my water bottle. Let me see how much battery I've got left on this phone right now. Ooh. Oh, man. All right, guys, look. Unfortunately, I got 3% battery left in the phone, and I know it's not going to last. So here's the deal. I think that we might just call this one right now, and I'll let it charge up a little bit, and I'll be able to get a video out. But it's not going to last, so that sucks that I have to get out early. But Eileen, I just want to make sure. Eileen, we'll just leave it at Eileen. I don't know if you're trying to set me up for something on that one. Eileen, thank you very much for the super sticker. I appreciate that very much, Eileen. Guys, I do have 3% battery on the phone. It's going to die. You won't be able to hear me once it goes down unless I add the computer audio in. So let me know if you guys want to hang out another 30 minutes or if you guys just want to call it, and then I'll get a video out this evening. Whatever you want to do, man, because the phone's not going to last. So it's going to cut out any second right now, and then I'm going to be dead for a while. So I think that we'll probably... Let's just call it for today. And then I'll be able to get the video out. I'll be able to charge it up and get the video out this evening. And, yeah, guys, that's just what we're going to do since there's no battery left on the thing. So, yeah, that's just what we'll do, man. It's just going to be easier than sitting here because nobody wants to watch this chart right now since it's just moving sideways. So, 208 viewers, guys. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make